So you're supposed to be my friend. That's the part I'm not. You're not comprehending.
Mira, mira, mira. Mira. Dile que ya, que lo haga. Porque yo le voy a ver.
Ven, ponte acá, ponte acá atrás de la puerta para que lo... Ahorita va a hacer watch. Ponte acá para que lo grabes de acá de este lado.
¿Yo lo grabo?
Ya, ahorita lo va a hacer watch. Ya sé, yo ya sé.
Where you going?
On this side.
Where the fuck are you going?
No, pero I'm watch. Allá de aquel lado, más para que se mire. No, más para allá. Más para allá.
¿Me van a pegar a mí?
No se mira ella. No, o sí. ¿Se mira o no? No se mira ella.
How are you friends with him? You never met your before.
This is this
Laura,
is
Laura.
stupid.
Laura.
This is stupid. That's what this is. Why is it stupid, Betty?
Because she shouldn't be friends with her. Like, I don't know. The fact that she told her she needs a chance to start like.
She hasn't had a chance.
She hasn't had a chance means that she's planning on fucking on him. Yeah, and that right there should be like a BAM!
Uh-huh.
You know?
Here.
I'm feeling this.
Would you like this? What the fuck? Oh, well, there's a hit left.
My bad.
And I'm not gonna let nobody come right
I'm
by.
trying
I'm letting you
to
say,
intervene over
say
here.
what you have to say and do what you have to do.
I'm trying to
and
stop
then
a fight.
I'm gonna be on my way though. Because there's no reason to fight, and I'm not gonna
It's
sit
good that
here
they're talking
and
though.
fight my friend.
We're welcome to Millennium.
I'll say and I'll just take it as it is. So.
Or women share men. Look, I'm stuck in that. And let's go ages.
Because honestly, I feel like you're trying to get at him.
I wasn't. If that was the case beforehand.
Hey, Shane!
I can't tell you.
Shane!
How you would
Shane!
My opinion would be like, if that's the way you felt, then maybe you would have that prior thinking. And you would have gotten some attention. And I don't think it.
I don't know. Let me go. Shane! Where's Shane? Where's Shane? Shane! Shane, I just want to ask you a question. What do you think she was trying to get at Ken?
No.
The truth. You said
The truth, no.
You said she was all over the
Just all I know is that she was trying to freaking catch up, talk.
to Kevin. About.
Like freaking, because they, I guess, have seen each other in a long time.
Okay.
So you know what they're doing?
So she was in a hurry to get. Yeah.
What?
Shane said that he feels like she was trying to catch up to him,
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
to talk to him because she hasn't seen him in a long time.
No, whatsoever.
Well, tell Shane to come here.
I'm telling you.
Hey,
I'm telling you what he told me.
do any of you guys have pets?
And I'm not gonna lie to you, sis.
Yeah, here.
What happened?
So, what more do you want, like...
Well, the only way to get the truth is telling him what's said, Justin. I don't have no problem all three of us sitting there and adjusting it. It's fine.
That
That's
what?
not cool though. That's not
I
cool at all.
have
And
all three of us
for you to
sitting here
fucking,
adjusting it.
I'm gonna tell you something.
I didn't
I feel
fuck with her, man.
disrespected and I feel like fucking hitting
didn't
in
what?
the face.
Then do what you
Just the
gotta
fact,
do.
just the really? Because the simple fact that you fucking went and tried to catch up to her man up somewhere else over there, and then came over here and sat here and fucking pretended like you were this fucking santita and this, yeah, can I please move this? Can I sit there? Like that's fucking ridiculous. There's no need.
And I
That's
didn't do
being
none of that.
fake for what? So you can get in get at somebody's dick. That's not cool. You didn't have to do that. All you had to do is wait at the corner and wait for him over there. You don't have to come over here and literally sit in her face and make her the inside joke. That's making her an inside joke.
Waiting for
You and
the
him,
corner.
you and him. We don't. She don't know what you. I can care less, but I care about her. You and him. She don't know what you guys talked about. She don't know what the fuck is going on. And since you were doing it out over there, it means that obviously it's something bad because you couldn't do it here in front of her. That's how I see it. But then again, I'm not fucking
But
from
nobody
around
was
here,
there
and I don't know if
except
around here that's like like okay.
But if
From what I
something-
see, it's tag team. You know, I mean,
Tag team,
Tag team up over here. You know,
yeah.
everybody tags on the same bitch, and then they team up on her at the end. So
Okay,
I don't
go
know.
down without a fight, so
I'm not saying you're going down without a fight. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about guys fucking on the same bitch. But then that other thing
But if
too,
I know
yeah,
the situation,
that's what's
then
up.
hey, you know,
I like that. I
let's-
like that in a girl. I like that. That's what's up. It should be like that. Not going down without a fight.
Well, especially if I know I didn't do anything
But-
wrong, and if I knew, like I said, if I knew.
Yeah,
shit
I like
between
that too.
people,
I like
would-
that too.
on real shit, if I would've known
I like that too. But you know what I also like? I also like bitches
People
respecting my house.
What do you mean? If you knew, what
If
do
you
you
felt
mean?
disrespected, then I would have
I
to
do.
come here.
I do.
Would you like me to leave?
Not yet.
Okay.
Until I don't know when she's done with you.
What you just said. What did she say right now?
Record it. Rewind it.
Do you want me to rewind it?
You're a stupid bitch.
Rewind that shit.
What
I
she
saca el
said?
She
carrito.
said she don't give a fuck.
I don't know what
she
she
don't
said.
feel like she.
Oh. She's not even fighting back.
Man, I know. Just leave her.
She's not even hitting back. She's not
Leave
even
her.
fighting back, bitch.
That's hella dumb right there, man.
She's not even
see.
fighting back. It's not a fight.
She's a fucking dumbass chick.
And let me find out you talk to me again, bitch. And I'm gonna fuck your ass up worse.
Make her fucking tell you the truth. Well, that's not cool.
Get your fucking bag and get the fuck out.